Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am sharing one of the Python problem with solution. So today our problem is write a Python program to find the sum of all elements in a list. To write a Python program to find the sum of all elements in a list. So now I have opened the VS Code editor and then I create one Python file. Sum of list .py or Python file is sum underscore list .py and then enter it. So our Python file is opened. So I create one function. So best practice using function very helpful. So that's the reason I am using function concept. Otherwise, you can without using the function, it's a very beginner, it's okay. But if you go to the advanced level, you try to using the function concept. So guys, you know that function is a reusable component. So that's the purpose I am every time using function concept. So I create the one function. Our function name is sum underscore list. So that's our function name. And then I have passed the one argument L1. So let's say I passed our parameter is L1. In this place, I create the one variable sum underscore 1. So that's a variable. And in this place, just I am using this sum keyword. Just sum keyword. In this place, I pass the argument as L1. So return sum underscore 1. So in this place, I pass the one list 1, and then 1, 3, 4, 5. So our result is sum of all these numbers 4, 4, 8, 13. So just I print it. Our function name is sum list, and then in this place it pass the our list. So I run it. See this 13 is our result. So you see this 1 plus 3 is 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 5 is 15. So sorry guys, 8 plus 5 is 13. So that's our reason. So if you use the sum keyword, it will return the sum of all the elements numbers in the list. So I am using the sum keyword. So if I additionally I am adding one element, that's number 10. Just I run it. See this 23 is written. So guys, I hope in this video is very helpful for you. If it's helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you watching this video. See you another video. Bye bye.